another one on the wall, I bet there wasn't.
Near London, Amersham. It then passed on to Terry Lyons, who was a good friend of Ed Bolton's. He restored it, he painted it and everything. It then passed from Terry Lyons to Arnold Sayre, who had it in his museum type engine shed, set on a flint. I have just acquired it from Arnold in this last year, and I sourced the trolley from America. It come from Nebraska, through Pennsylvania to New York, to Thamesport, London, and then Basildon, and I picked it up in Basildon and back to Cumbria. And then I made the seat for it, but I haven't finished it. There should be a set of yokes and the things for the drawbar for the horses to pull. So 8 horsepower.
What year is it?
Roughly about 1912.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. So I have done very little to it. I've put swing top oiler on, which it should have, didn't have on, put that on, made the seat and basically cleaned it up.
Oh,
Have you recorded that or not?
some of it, yeah.
Alright.
It just makes it easier
Alright.
for me to do up the rock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.